Hey guys, within this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Threads app on your mobile device. So if you're actually using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store, but as I'm using an iPhone, go over to the App Store, this blue button in the middle of my home screen, and then go down to the bottom right, the search page, and at the top start typing in Threads. Press search in the bottom right, and then that will take us to the first organic listing right here, this black app. And then on the right hand side it says, or it has a button. It looks like a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. That basically means that we've downloaded this app on this account in the past, maybe not on this specific device, but it could be linked to your account already. It might not have this cloud icon. It might have a button that says GET, the get button. Either way, press that, and then from there it will start downloading on your device. So after you've let the app download, from within the App Store, it gives us the option to actually open the app with this button. And when you do press that, it will launch the app. And from there, guys, Threads has fully successfully downloaded on this device. You can go and log in with Instagram because Threads is connected to Instagram. You can log in from there, or you can press create Instagram account if you do not have an account already and start using Threads. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.